Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am going to be finally unboxing the package that Ada sent me. And yeah, so this is a box swap with my good friend here on YouTube, DIDDI5.
Hi my beautiful family and welcome to another of my videos.
Her name is Ada. We do these every 6 months for, I want to say, the past 2 years maybe. But yeah, so we agreed $200-ish. We both went over a little bit, but we agreed $200 worth of products inside, and we both like to look for deals, and we make each other a wish list, and I send her products that I can see that well, I make a wish list of what I want, and then I try to put at least 30 to 50 products. That way I don't know what I really get or remember. Yeah, we do a wish list, and we don't really necessarily go by it totally. There'll be normally like 5 or 6 items, maybe less, maybe more. There's really no guidelines. We just kind of send each other stuff. But yeah, so if you want to see what she sent to me, then keep on watching. And this is a collaboration, of course, with DIDDI5. I have her link in my description box below, and also at the end of this video I will put her channel little logo thing so you can click on there and check her out easier. And yeah, just look up DIDDI5 if you want to just search for her. And yeah, she'll be getting, this will be uploaded with hers. Don't know the exact date yet because, you know, we just don't know our exact schedules. But yeah, we mostly do it on our birthdays. So we did one in March, and hers is in September. So that's about every 6 months. But yeah, so we get each other gifts on our birthdays. All right, now I can open it. Yay. Right, let's open it up together. That is what it looks like when I first open it. Oh, I love that gift wrap, Ada. That is pretty. Look at that gift wrap. That is pretty. All right, so let's open up all these products. It looks like a lot. And of course, we're going to be doing a try-on video soon after this one. So if you want to see our thoughts and opinions on our first try-on, then just subscribe to both of our channels. And later this year, we have been discussing to do a like collaboration giveaway. So we'll probably do like yeah, 2 giveaways, one on her channel, one on mine. So she made sure this one didn't get broke. Ooh, there's little Isadora quads. I told her I loved this brand, and the only place I can see that I can really get it is Walgreens on their own, like online, but they don't have everything. She can get a lot more. So those are cute. I really like this one because of the reddish pinkish color tone, but this one is pretty too. It's like silver tones. This is the Crystal Mauve, and this is Peach Avenue. Beautiful. Yes. And I gotta go get a trash can. Right, here is the next product. Yes! I was gonna order this online if I couldn't, if I didn't get this. It is one of those, like you can put your shampoo in your hair or in this, and you can massage it, the shampoo in your hair, and get to the roots really good. Or I guess you could use it as a brush too. So I'm going to be using this very soon. Not tonight because I washed my hair last night, but I wanted one of these. And what's that called? Glove? Whatever. Yeah, I wanted one of those. Here's the next one. Here is a sun-kissed, pretty sun-kissed bronzer infused with minerals. Is that the brand? Sun-kissed? That's neat. That's really pretty. Like this. Nice. I need somewhere to put all of these items. Right, here's the next one. Right. Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Travel size Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner Black. Okay. I love me a black eyeliner. She know that. She know that. Alright, next one. Okay, there's two in this. It is Isadora Twist Up Lip Gloss, or Lipstick Moisturizing Lip Filler. This is in 02 Biscuit. And this one is in 72 Beach Peach. I'm getting excited more and more. Alright, here is the next one. Saint Luxe Lip Liner Duo. Ooh. This one is in the color Spring Rose. Sounds so my vibe. And this one is in the color Pink Magnolia. Pretty. Ooh, I just found this in there. It feels like there's something in it. Paul Mitchell bag. I like the bag. Super cute. What the frick is this? It's either all or a lot of the J-Cat Vanity Goddess monochromatic or chromatic pigment. This one is in Supreme Bing. This one is in Honest Glory. I think it says Unicorn Pia? I don't know. Pretty color. This one is in Cheeky something. I don't know what it's called, but very pretty purple color. This one is Gilded Sky. This one is Fourth Dimension. Really excited about this. Flushing Queen. Mirror on the Wall. Divinity. Molten Magic. And the last one is Scamper. Beautiful. Love it. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Thank you. So I put everything that I have opened so far in that bag, and there's still room. So, yay! That kind of went in handy for real. I really like that bag. It holds a lot. Let's see. This is going to be next. You got it taped good, girl. What? Build Up Mascara Extra Volume Isadora. Yay! Yay! Put that in that bag too. Alright, what is this? Oh, it's a brush set. Awesome. Limited edition Ready Set Glow Trend Watch Strobing. Real techniques. Love it. 4 tools for natural radiance. I really love that brush, and I need a new blender, so that's great. Okay. I like this set. It's really cute. Thank you. Love it. So far, so good on all of it. Alright, this is next. Ooh, Isadora again. Skin Beauty Perfecting and Protecting Foundation. SPF 35. That is what it looks like. You can hear Milo because Michael is on speaker, so Milo thinks someone's here. That's pretty. Can't wait to play with that. And it's still fitting in that bag. Alright, this is next. Oh, yes! Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation lasts up to 24 hours, mattifying second skin effect in rose beige. Okay. Looks like a pretty good match. Alright. Yes! And my bag is officially full. Maybe over full now. There we go. Alright. And I still got a few more items in here. This is next. Yes! Carter Beauty, I think that's how you pronounce it, by Marissa Carter. Dramatic False Lashes. Dramatic. And this one is in Sultry. And this one is in Glamour. Ooh, wow. That's fun. This is next. I think I know what it is. Oh, yes it is. It's the Melt Cosmetics 420 palette, and I'm gonna have to open this one up. Oh my gosh. This is like dreams come true. Look how it moves. Yes. Here's the back. So trippy, cool. Oh my god. I'm going to nut myself. I know that's TMI. Oh my gosh. Look at all these beautiful colors. Gosh. I cannot wait to play with this. Is it weird that I want to lick it? Like, thank you, Ada. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Next thing. She Knows the Way to My Heart is an eyeshadow palette. That one's a perfect one. Essence Go For the Glow highlighter palette. I don't have this one at my store. We sell Essence, but we don't have this one. Oh, and it has the colorful highlighters. I don't have any color highlighters, so that would be cool to play with. That's what it looks like. We have, I think, 2 more things in here. Let's go with this one. How do you say that brand? I've seen her talk about this. Is it Cara? That extra hydration hydration moisturizing setting spray. I'm going to open this up here. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. And this looks like the same type of box, but we'll see. Yes, it is another setting spray thing, from the same brand, but this is that Dewy Look Glow Setting Spray. So this is the Glow Setting Spray, and this one's the Moisturizing Setting Spray. So I can try both of these out and see which one I like more. Probably just the same, but yes, that is it of our box swap for Ida's birthday for September. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my video, or don't forget to check out her video.
Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope I see you again. I love you all. Bye, guys.
Of the box I sent her. Go check her out. Links down below at the end of the screen. There also will be her video thing on the end cards, and also her little subscribe little icon so you can subscribe to her channel. And if you do so, please tell her Valerie Dison sent you, because we're besties. And yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!